Got a warning light on your 2024 Jeep Wrangler's dashboard? Wondering what it means and if you should be worried? How do you reset certain indicators or understand the full cluster display? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about your Jeep Wrangler's dashboard warning lights and instrument cluster. Let's dive in. Interior view. The dashboard has a sleek, modern design with intuitive controls, digital displays, and premium materials. It includes advanced technology for navigation, customization, and seamless user interaction. Available with 7-inch driver information digital cluster display, allows customization to track key vehicle stats like speed, compass, and security features, enhancing driver awareness and convenience. The 12.3-inch touchscreen features intuitive controls, advanced connectivity, navigation, and over-the-air updates. The gear shifter has an ergonomic design with a sturdy grip, precise shifting, and premium materials for a refined feel. The climate control system features dual-zone settings, intuitive controls, and enhanced air circulation for optimal comfort. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers a comfortable grip, integrated controls, and adjustable positioning. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators: airbag warning light, brake warning light, seat belt reminder warning light, battery charge warning light, door open warning light, electric power steering, EPS, fault warning light, electronic throttle control, ETC warning light, engine coolant temperature warning light, hood open warning light, oil pressure warning light, oil temperature warning light, liftgate, open warning light, transmission temperature warning light, vehicle security warning light, anti-lock brake system, ABS, warning light, electronic stability control, ESC, active warning light, electronic stability control, ESC, off warning light, loose fuel filler cap warning light, low fuel warning light, adaptive cruise control, ACC, fault warning light, engine check/malfunction indicator, hybrid electric vehicle system service, service forward collision, warning FCW light, plug status, fault warning light, drive mode, system overheating warning light, tire pressure monitoring system, torque limited warning light, fuel cutoff failure, fuel level sensor failure, axle locker, fault indicator light, forward collision warning, FCW off indicator light, 4H indicator, 4L indicator, low washer fluid, service 4WD warning light, sway bar fault, warning light, traffic sign recognition, front and rear axle, lock indicator light, neutral indicator light, off-road plus indicator light, if equipped, adaptive cruise control, ACC, set with no target detected indicator light, adaptive cruise control, ACC, set with target indicator light, front fog indicator, parking/headlights on indicator light, ready to drive, turn signal indicator lights, stop, turn or start active indicator light, hill descent control, HDC, two-wheel drive high indicator light, adaptive cruise control, ACC, set with no target detected indicator light, if equipped, adaptive cruise control, ACC, set with target light, if equipped, cruise control, set indicator light, select speed control indicator light, high beam indicator light, cruise control, ready indicator light. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.